Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Wired Journals. Today I'm going to show you a few command prompt tips which will help you in many circumstances. To run these commands, firstly we need to open the command prompt in the administrative view. So to do that, we need to click on Windows plus R and type CMD. Click on Control Shift plus Enter. First off, I will show you an option to change the color of the command prompt. Right click on the command prompt window. Click on Properties. Once you are in, you will have an option called Colors. Select the screen text, which will help you change the font color. And when you click on the screen background, this will help you change the background color of the command prompt. And these are the options to select the background colors. I'm not going to change anything right now. Next off, we have an option to change the prompt text. If you want to change the prompt text to your name, type in prompt WJ $G. This will help you change the prompt text. And I have an option to change the window name as well. Type in title WJ. This will change the name of the administrator window. And next up, I have an option to clear the command prompt, which is CLS, which will clear all the commands which you have run. Next off, I have an option to check the past commands you have used but you don't remember. That is DOS KY history. See, these are the commands you have used in the past session. If you don't remember any of these commands, you can always look back using this key. And lastly, I will show you how to check your IP address. You need to type in the command ipconfig. This will give you the IP address and all the necessary details of your system. I hope the session was useful. To know more commands like this, please subscribe and encourage my channel. Have a great day ahead.